Hey guys, Drake Petit from Fam. Just got my switch in from England for the Lotus Evora folding mirrors, automatic folding mirrors. I'll put the part number in the description below, but let's get started. So yeah, that's it. Small little switch. Cost me like 15 bucks, a couple days in shipping from Europe. Out of a 06 to 2000, or rather 2000 to 06 Ford Focus. For some reason mine came from England. I don't know why you can't get it here. The only difference is that little circle on the top, that will actually be like a square, and then you can do this in the vehicle in the neutral position. So this will be in, and this will be out, or it's the opposite way, I don't remember. And the only difference in this is that there is 8 pins on the switch that actually has the mirror movement, and this one just has 7. So I mean, for a $400 option on a Lotus, for this, sounds kind of foolproof. It literally took me 15 minutes, and the most hard part of it was just fiddling, trying to get the switch out of the little tiny hole. And also keep in mind, there's a little square box, I don't know if you can see it, that has an indent that kind of like holds it in there. I didn't realize that until like 5 minutes into me trying to get it off. Thankfully I didn't ruin my wire harness, so that would be a whole different ordeal. Apparently a lot of German cars do it. If you own a Lotus, it's a simple upgrade that just is a little bit more convenient, looks a little sleeker, I think, in my point of view. As if you're gonna own an exotic car, you want it to look sleek. But look it up, it was super easy, 15 bucks, came from Europe in 2 days. For a $400 option that comes from factory. I mean, it seems kind of silly not to do it. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down of what you guys would like to see in the future. But remember, you guys in Fam are always dictating what we do here. If you want to know about real estate, or if you want to know about stocks, or if you want to know anything about entrepreneurship at all, if I don't know it, I'm gonna find it.